What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson with another awesome Empower Life video. Empower Life is getting on the platforms, people. You have people in other businesses. They already talking trash about Empower Life. I don't know why. I'm not talking trash about nobody. I just want this thing to grow to the moon. You got a lot of Livegood people dumping on Empower Life. We just went Empower Life to grow like Livegood. You know what I'm saying? I don't never dump on nobody else's stuff. If I'm gonna use your keywords, I'm gonna use your keywords, but I'm not gonna come on one business. I'm gonna say something failed and this one is running. Now I'll do that. Other than that, I don't have no time but dumping in somebody else's backyard. So Empower Life, this new opportunity. You see, we do Zooms. I got a Zoom this Sunday. If you want to be on the Zoom, you got to come in like I log in like 15 minutes in advance. That joint filled up so fast. I mean, it was like 1 minute in and it was 299 people sitting there. It's 300 capacity. Maybe the guy, he don't show up as a person. I don't know. But it never went past 299 and you couldn't nobody else get in. So then he sent it to YouTube. And then so then you can actually watch it from YouTube. You can watch it on Facebook, YouTube, or the Zoom. So you'll still get it. You just won't be able to ask questions unless you're in the Zoom. So 10 to 15 minutes. You don't even have to be at your computer, people. Come in here, click on this 15 minutes in advance, go do whatever else you were doing, then come back at 2 p.m. EST for me. Now, whatever other time you get on, it's up to you. But it's worth it being on these Zooms because he brings it out. He breaks down everything that's going on. Look at this, 31,183 people joined after me. Crazy, people. Crazy. We still can't access none of this stuff because we can't get it yet because you're not in there. We're not actually members. See, we're still all free members, even though I got my $20 waiting. So I'm waiting to pay. So when it's time to pay, I can go ahead and upgrade. You know what I'm saying? You can't do it. You can do it now. It says upgrade now, but you won't be able to do upgrade until launch day. See? So all you gotta do is come in here, it's like launch, and everybody's gonna click that. And I don't know how from 90 seconds to 90 seconds how it's gonna work. So that's why you just keep inviting people, and our team is growing. Like crazy trying to catch up with my inviter, because he got 180 people. So trying to catch up with him. So me being one of them. So the amount of team I'm building, and I'm not the only builder that's on his team. So I know he's connected to all the other guys I see on the emails too. So it's a lot of people pushing this now. So that's why we're at 31,000 and we don't even launch yet. You know what I'm saying? So they redid the dashboard just looks a little bit more crisp. Telling the pre-launch or global to matrix is live. He's not going to tell us yet when we're actually going to go when it's actually going live, just to keep the momentum running, which makes sense. And you can see it's 10 to Zoom. All you can do is come in here for free. I'm a free member, remember. And you don't have to put your $20 in yet. You can just come in here for free, join, and come look at as much as you can see. You know what I'm saying? You can see here, you can see the comp plan. You click here, go straight to the compensation plan and look at all the great ways that we are being paid. And just as one thing for people to understand, we don't endorse people just to get in and just wait for spillover. But you have an option here to make $4,096 per month. Now it's going to take the whole matrix to fill out the 2x12 for you to get the 4,000. But I mean, if it's almost filled up and you're making $3,000 a month, I mean, shoot, yeah. Hey, it's up to you, but you got to stay active. Stay active. Make sure you stay active. But it's better just to build a business because you'll get $10 per person you refer. And then after you get a certain amount, 3 or more, you start getting more into every first 2 you get 10%. So it's extra dollar on those guys, and that can turn into 98,000 real fast. So that's the $10 you get for everybody that joins. Fast start commissions. Then you got the regular matrix. This is the matrix that everybody goes in. So this is the matrix that you can make your $4,096 off, just being in this matrix. Paid up so you got that. You got all matrix percentages are based on monthly, so that's a 2x12. Now understand it's a 2x12, but understand when you're a recruiter, you can fill all these up, and it's still gonna be but they're gonna be under other people. So you're gonna be blessing other people, but they're still gonna be connected to you for the extra bonuses that you get by having a large team. Infinity commissions. This is the thing right here that's blowing everybody's mind. It is crazy. Oh, hold up. They just put this in. This wasn't here before. hold on one second. Let me make sure I click. Hold on one second. Stop sharing. Share. Make sure I click my audio thing. If not, I'm just gonna be playing and you gonna be, we both just gonna be looking at the screen and you ain't gonna hear nothing.
Here you are registered in Empowerlife, and we are not talking about the matrix that people go like this. So for those people who want to introduce, here you go. On the left side is your first person you introduced. Now, in the infinity commissions, you are the first person you introduce. What are you going to pay? What are you going to make? You're going to make $10 from his membership, and you're going to make also 0.50 cents from the matrix, correct? Plus, depending what rank you are, etc., etc., etc. But let's say that. Then, because these 50 cents are given to 12 people above. Now, when you bring this person, is going to give another 10%, is going to give another $1 without you getting less money. So you're getting all your money, but we are giving as a company another $1 to your sponsor. The second person you personally introduce is going to happen the same. It's going to go $1 up to your sponsor. All right. So your sponsor is making $1 plus his matrix commissions. All right. Although these two people are not personally referred by him. On your third person, there he is. You're going to start getting on top of the $10 fast start bonus, on top of the matrix, you will get another 10%, which is $1 to you. Now, let's say this guy decided also to start referring people. There you go. He referred his first person, and what is he doing? He's making $10 from his fast start. He's making another 50 cents from the matrix, and you are making another $1. You are making another $1. You are the sponsor of this one. So the first two, you see, the first two shifting up you. So now you're making another, you are talking about per month now. Huh? Every month, Tony, you listen to me, every month. Now, since these two and this one is in your members, when these two, when this guy now introduces, this guy introduces 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, they don't go to you. The first 2 go to you, like the first 2 go to your sponsor. The first 2 go to you. Now, these 2 people now, when they start referring people, you see, these people referred the first 2, and these referred the first 2, you make again $1. So this month now you're going to make $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. Now these 2, when they start referring their first 2, and these are their first 2, not the third, 4, 5, but the first 2, you're making another $8. So all that every month, every month. So what did you basically do? Listen, you just introduced 3 people. Your third person start giving you all these $1 every single month because he brought 2, they brought 2 minimum. So from one person alone, right? What is happening now? From one person you introduce, you are getting money from their first 2 in infinity levels down. This can go to 100 levels down, and you will be getting $1 from this guy who brought 2, that they brought 2, that they brought 2, that they brought 2. It's insane, right? We are not stopping here. Let's say you decide to introduce a fourth person here. What is going to happen? The same thing. When he brings his first 2, you're making another $1 on top of your matrix. Okay. He's making, of course, his commission, faster commission, his matrix commission, these first two he brought, you're going to make another $1, 10%. He's going to go again to infinity levels for your fourth person. And then you decided to bring a fifth person. Here's what happens.
People, and that just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And it breaks it down here. So say if you talking about you have 5 members that were doing that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 3 more. This is a matrix for it. 10%, 10%, 10%. And remember, these people are also falling in your matrix too. So the 50 cent that you're getting also plus the dollar is the extra. So it's an extra, when you say extra 10%, it's an extra dollar because it's only $10 you're paying per month. And it grows and it grows and grows to the point where that or more. Because remember, if you have, this is just 5 members. If you get bringing 100 and something people, like my own, like my let's just say my upline, he has 180, 190 people already. So, and I've already have a lot of people. Think about, you know what I'm saying? What if he got 180 of us that's just like that? OMG. I don't even know. I don't even have a calculator. I'm not even whipping out a calculator. But that's going to grow crazy. And every first 2 of every 2, that's what you get. So when I bring in my third person, the first 2 people from them, they both give me $1 until infinity. Then when those 2 bring in their first 2, they both give me $1. And then the third person, they say that will be right here, that goes to him. That will go back to him, and then he'll get his just like mine. So my first 2, the $1 I don't get out of this, it goes to my upline. I get the 50 cent. You know what I'm saying? I get the $10 for enrolling them, but I get the 50 cents. I really ain't missing out. You know, it's 2 people, 50 cent, 50 cent. But once it start growing like this, and it gets like, to tell us thousands and thousands of people, it gets crazy, people. You talking about thousands of extra dollars just for the same people that you were enrolled in the first place. Because these people are all in the matrix. It's just getting paid extra off of certain people just because I decided to tell people. That's why I said it's better just to go ahead and just tell people. And then it starts over here. This is a picture of it. First 2, go up to my sponsor. I get my $10. I get 50 cents a month from them, but he gets that $1. So, and then everybody here, I get the $1, I get the 50 cent, and I get the $10 off of all my people that I bring in here. And then as their people start coming, I'll just get the $1 and the 50 cent all through because they're all in my matrix. Crazy. Crazy. You got the Eshop commissions, and this Eshop is not just some old riggedy diggity shop. They got some awesome products that can't be found. So these are only our products. So it's not like we got products and somebody else in another company selling the same products. It's only our products, and they got some excellent products that you might really be into. You got to watch the Zoom. You got to watch that last Zoom. Let me see. I wonder if they even got it in here because they do have replays. It says call replays. Let me just make sure ain't nothing else I need to go over real quick before we keep going down here, and then I'll go back to the call replay, see if it's on there yet. Then you got affiliate shop commission of different money. Once any affiliate in your team purchases any product from the eShop, then you can make a commission up 6 levels deep according to your rank. So if you're diamond, which is we're all going for a diamond, you make 25% off everybody eShop purchases in 1 on your first level, then 5, all the way down 5 levels. That's a lot of money. You don't even know who these people are. From like, you might not know who these people are on your second level. All the way down, people paying you that you don't even know. Paying you. I mean, this can be like 10,000 people. Depending on how many people you bring in the first place. That could be 10,000 people on that 5th row. So it's just crazy, people. Then you got your influencer bonuses. So you get influencer bonuses for affiliates who choose to focus on marketing products to their affiliates team on a larger scale. You will earn additional bonuses on all of the volume regardless of your rank. So total sales per month, 2,500. So if you're just selling affiliate products like crazy, you can make extra money just doing so. So it's crazy, people. Total eShop commission of 35%, 40%. $1,000 sales a month, 60%. That's a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother paycheck. I mean, you could just live off of this alone. You know what I'm saying? That's like $60,000, 60%. You can live off of this alone, people. All right, and it's showing all the money adding up. You got the leadership, ranks, and rewards. So as you hit ranks, you'll get compensated. So obviously you got to have this many people and that much money coming through yours. So you need to have 500 people and $100,000 of business. You're going to have $100,000 of business with 500 people. I mean, just alone, let's just say, so let's just say 500. Where's my calculator? Obviously, it's not down there. All right, here we go. I know that's 50,000, but let's just see 500 times 10. That's 500 personally active referrals, 500, and then times 10. So what you see is you'll get $5,000 just from who the people you refer. Now, when your people are bringing in people all the way down, then that's when $100,000 come from. All right, it's the products. Diamond bonus pool, you hit diamond, you get 5%. 5% of the sales of all memberships. Wow. That's crazy. That's a that's a nice amount of money, people. You can't beat it with a bat. You can't beat it with a bat. And then you got the compensation plan. That's right here that you actually just downloaded. We went over it before on another one of my videos. All right, let's go see if I can find this other replay because I think this one is.
What if there was a way
Yeah,
to
this is
be
just him.
making up to 4,000?
Let me see. Call replays. Let's see. The last one was 2nd August. Yeah, it's right here. Yep, and that's 28. 2nd August. This one right here. And he's.
Do we all understand what is a 2x12 forced matrix? Because I want to make.
Yes, I have it. Yes, I'm going on it. Okay, share screen. So, in a simple way, as you can see here,
on this part,
guys, can you lower your hands,
51
please,
minutes
so we can
in,
see each other
he
in the
starts
video.
going over the things that are in the
please.
digital
Amazing.
store.
Because
beautiful. They're very
wow.
they're not very expensive.
Ebooks, and you say you want health and wellness.
You can sell them like you can go on YouTube, just make YouTube videos and just sell the products.
This is our first time to talk together, yes?
Because you own
we never
them.
talked together before.
Crazy.
Absolutely. Huh?
And
I mean, that's just like that's what most affiliate
the
marketers
PDF
are doing
itself,
anyway. Got TikTok,
and
which is
the open
booming
source
right now. It's
with
like
the
the
white
biggest
label with your
advertising thing right now is
everything
TikTok.
included inside. It's
Not to say
ready.
biggest because
Become a
Facebook is still
freelance
obviously
writer.
worth way more money than
Strategies for
TikTok.
homeschool,
But what I'm
marketing on
saying is
TikTok. That's very
for a
good
lot
one,
of
by the
people
way.
that's
Let's go on.
seeing things
So here
because
in that
the most
course,
people
what
are
you
on
get,
TikTok right now.
PDF file as written. The covers, it actually covers, not cover because you are getting like 3-4 different covers.
All right. So I didn't want to make
cover
this
to show
video
you
too
what's up,
long.
you know?
People, you see what
Done
we
for
got
you.
going
The
on.
design is done
So
for you
that's
already.
this is
whatever you want.
pause that. All right, go back to dashboard. You should see it went up some more. Yep. 31253. I forget what it was when, but if you rewind the video all the way to the beginning, you'll see we went up. We went up in people since we started this video. I'm trying to figure out where we were at, but it looked like we went up quite a few people. There's no way for me to go ahead and rewind it while I'm actually recording it. So that's how much we went up a lot of people. So man, I'm trying to tell you, it's growing. Growing. So like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go, let's grow, let's blow this thing out the water. God bless.